Here I've got Qilive 5039D, and let me show you how to activate reading mode on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and choose settings, click on display them, and here you will notice reading mode right here. Just select it, and if you would like to activate it, just click on the switcher, and now it's active. Then you can turn off reading mode by tapping on the same icon. You can also manage some apps in which this mode will be automatically activated. Just click on manage apps. Let me choose, for example, contacts. Let's go back. And now if we will open contacts, you will see that the reading mode will be automatically activated. Let's go to the contacts. And here it is. As you can see, the display has been changed. So this is it. This is how you can activate reading mode. Then you can also slide down the upper bar and locate eye comfort mode right here and reading mode right next to the eye comfort mode. Just click on it to activate it and deactivate it the same way. So this is it. That will be all. So you can activate and deactivate reading mode on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.